Hey everybody, it's MP4 from SlateDroid.com. So I have the Herotab M10 here with me, and we're going to teach this bad boy how to play classic games. All right. So I have with me, let me get them out so I can show you guys that I'm not joking around. I have my Wii controllers. So the reason why this is going to work on this tablet and may not work on other tablets is because the Herotab M10 has Bluetooth. So I've already got my Bluetooth on. Now to get this, you're going to have to download a program called, let me zoom in so you can see it. It is called Wiimote Control. Now it's free. Alright, so I downloaded a program called Wiimote Controller. And you can look at it on your marketplace, which Herotab M10, you know, pretty nicely. So you're going to get the Wiimote controller, and then you're going to get now I got SNES Droid. All right, so oh no, sorry, it's SNES OID. So OID, it's about $1.99. It's worth it to buy it. And then I also got a program called ROM Buddy. And so remember, the program is called SNES OID and ROM Buddy. Now ROM Buddy, what it does is it actually searches for ROMs for you, for you know, say you have the one that plays Game Boy games, you know, which I do not have, but you know, the one I play is Game Boy game. You would just look up a game and it will download it for you, so you don't have to go looking for it. Anyway, so let's get on to how you play. Alright, so once you have the Wiimote controller program loaded up, you're going to go ahead and you're going to turn it on. So let me zoom in so you guys can watch this, watch the magic. I don't know how good. There we go. So we have initialize and connect. Now you have to take the back off your Wii because you have to use the sync button. Alright, so I'm going to do the initialize and connect, and then I'm going to push my little red button on the inside controller of my Wii, and you can see it's searching right now. See, now it's found one. Alright, and it also says I have my nunchuck plugged into it. So that is wunderbar. Alright, so now you can see everything I'm doing is going to be for my Wiimote controller. Got it, see? Alright, then I'm going to select, and I have different choices. I'm going to select my Wii controller. Basically what I'm doing is I'm changing the primary device that interacts with this. So I'm saying my Wii controller is going to take the place of my keyboard. You know, it's the primary input device right now. Alright, so we're going to select and make sure that we have Wii controller IME selected, right? So we got that. We're going to back out of it, and then I'm going to show you how easy this bad boy is. So once we have that all set up, we are going to go into SNES OID, and I have two games already on here. Let's go to our. Now once you have it set up, because like I said, I use my ROM Buddy to download the ROM I wanted. And make sure you guys can see the screen. Alright, so I'm going to show you the Alright, so I hit the menu button so I can show you something, because now we have to go into our settings. So once you hit your menu button and bring up your settings, you can see the settings right there. Alright, we're going to go into our settings. Now the reason we're going to go into our settings is now you only have to do this once, you know, once you got this set up. I'm going to go into my settings. Then we're going to go into our input. Now the reason why we're doing this is because you need to map your keys. So if you can see that, we're going to map our keys. So basically, if you push the up button, I push up on here, and then I'm going to decide what button I want to be up on my Wii controller or my nunchuck. So I've already set this up. So I use, you know, like I said, my Wii controller, and like I said, when I push this, when I push that, it's going to say press a hardware key. So I'm going to press a hardware key, and it uses D-pad left. which is not what I wanted. That's not what I have set. I'm going to use my nunchuck for this one. There we go. So my nunchuck is actually, so I'm actually using my nunchuck. I lied. So anyway, just play around with this. Once you get into the screen right here, and you have your Wii controller set up, you'll see how easy it is. So now that you got that and then you're going to go to your you want to turn off your I turn on full screen mode. Okay, and then let's see, there's another one. There's another settings that you have to go into. Oh, you got to turn off virtual keyboard. You got to turn off virtual keyboard because virtual keyboard and trackball as D-pad. Basically, you want to turn off anything that is going to have the controllers on the screen because you're going to be using your Wii controller as a controller. So let's get into it so you can see how it works. Oh, sorry guys, let me adjust this for you so you can see how it works. Oh, I was doing awesome. Oh, I'm distracted by the camera, that's why. Oh, I'm usually awesome at this game. But there you go, and see, as you can see, this plays where now. Not every game you get is going to work with this. So you got to remember that. So not every game you get is going to work on it. But I've got probably I played probably 4 or 5 on them, and they seem to work very good. And I've used the SNES OLED. I haven't used the other ones, but I had assumed that the setup would basically be the same. So if you have any questions, hit me up on slategdroid.com, and then we can and I can hopefully help you get it working on your Herotab M10. All right, guys, this has been MP4 for slategdroid.com, showing you how to turn your M10 into a classic gaming machine, so to be, so you know, when you're bored, and if you have a Wii, you know, it's even better. All right, guys, so have a good one. I'm out.